What is the most powerful small Android tablet you can buy right now? Not a big 12-inch slab, not a productivity iPad clone, a compact, pocket-friendly monster of a gaming machine that you can carry anywhere and game on everything. That tablet is the brand new Lenovo Legion Y700 Gen 5. And I've been waiting to get my hands on this one because Lenovo just dropped something seriously special inside it. Welcome back to Tech Revenge Mobile Reviews. Let us get straight into it. First things first, this thing is 8.8 inches, and I know what you're thinking, that's small for a tablet. But that's exactly the point. This form factor is what makes the Legion Y700 so special. It's small enough to carry in a bag, hold comfortably with two hands while gaming, and still deliver a screen big enough to fully enjoy. The design hasn't changed dramatically from the Gen 4, and honestly, that's fine because the Y700 has always looked great. But what is new on the Gen 5 is the RGB lighting around the Legion logo on the back. It sounds like a small detail, but it genuinely sets this tablet apart from everything else on the market. It looks aggressive, it looks like a gaming device, and I'm here for it. You get two USB Type-C ports, one on the bottom for charging and data, and one on the side specifically for video output. That side port makes docking and landscape orientation completely effortless, which matters a lot when we get to desktop mode. In the box, you get the Legion Y700 Gen 5, a 68-watt wall charger, a USB cable, and the user manual. Color options in the US are Obsidian Black and White, but Europe gets a limited edition Lime Green FIFA version that honestly looks incredible. Now let's talk about why this tablet is special: the processor. Lenovo put the brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 inside the Legion Y700 Gen 5. This is an octa-core chip with two Orion V3 Phoenix performance cores running at 4.6 GHz and six efficiency cores running at 3.62 GHz. The GPU is the Adreno 840 running up to 1200 MHz. You get up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.1 Pro storage, one of the fastest storage standards available on any mobile device right now. The display is an 8.8-inch IPS panel running at 165 Hz with a resolution of 1904 by 2400 and a 16 by 10 aspect ratio. It supports Dolby Vision, HDR, and hits up to 800 nits of peak brightness. Battery is a massive 9,000 mAh cell with 68-watt fast charging, and it ships with Android 16 out of the box with Wi-Fi 7 connectivity. On paper, this is a beast, but numbers only tell half the story. Running benchmarks against the Gen 4, the Gen 5 shows meaningful gains across the board. In CPU tests, multi-core performance pushes past 10,000, a noticeable jump. In 3D Mark Wildlife Extreme, the Gen 4 scored 6,694 and the Gen 5 climbs to 7,343. The overall Antutu score lands at over 3.6 million, with improvements across CPU, GPU, memory, and user experience scores. But here's what matters more than benchmarks. In actual gaming, every single title I threw at this tablet ran flawlessly. Destiny Rising locked at 120 frames per second on high settings. CarX Drift Racing 3 maxed out completely at 60 frames per second. Minecraft ran at 120 frames per second even in balanced power mode. The Game Assistant overlay is one of the best features on this tablet. Swipe in from the left during any game and you get real-time FPS, CPU clock speed, GPU clock speed, temperature readings, charge rate, and RAM management all while playing. You can also enable bypass charging mode, which runs the tablet entirely off wall power during long sessions to protect the battery. That's a feature most gaming phones don't even offer. This is where the Legion Y700 Gen 5 genuinely blows everything else away at this size. Emulation on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 is outstanding. GameCube games running in Dolphin at 4 times resolution, that's 2560 by 2122, play perfectly. Wind Waker runs locked at 30 frames per second all day long. PS2 emulation through Nether SX2 at 4 times resolution also runs beautifully. Metal Gear Solid 3 holds at 30 frames per second, and Silent Hill 2 runs at a smooth 60 with the frame limiter off. But the biggest surprise? There's a built-in PC game emulator baked directly into the operating system through Game Assistant. This is not streaming. This is not cloud gaming. This is actual x86 PC game emulation running natively on the ARM chip. It's currently in beta and requires DRM-free games, but Hollow Knight runs at nearly 120 frames per second at 720p. The Witcher 3 runs decently in open areas. Cyberpunk 2027 is being tested, and the early results are very promising. The fact that PC game emulation is built directly into the operating system on an 8.8-inch tablet in 2026 is genuinely wild. Connect the Legion Y700 Gen 5 to an external monitor via USB Type-C, and the tablet switches into a full desktop interface. It supports up to 4K at 144 Hz output. Even at 1440p 120 Hz, the experience on a big screen is excellent. Desktop mode gives you a proper taskbar, window management, and full app access. It essentially turns this gaming tablet into a portable desktop computer. A full dedicated video on this feature is coming, but just know this capability alone makes the Y700 Gen 5 worth serious consideration, even for people who aren't hardcore gamers. So here's the bottom line. The Legion Y700 Gen 5 is the most powerful 8.8-inch Android tablet ever made. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 is an absolute powerhouse. The 165Hz display is smooth and bright. The Game Assistant overlay is one of the best gaming tools on any mobile device. Emulation is class-leading, and built-in PC game emulation is something no other tablet in this size category can offer. Is the performance jump over the Gen 4 massive? Not enormous, but the Gen 5 chip, the new RGB design, the faster storage, and PC emulation features make this the definitive version of an already excellent tablet. If you love mobile gaming and you want the best compact Android tablet money can buy right now, the Legion Y700 Gen 5 is it. Full stop. Drop in the comments, would you buy this over a gaming phone? I want to know. Smash that like button, subscribe to Tech Revenge Mobile Reviews, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. See you in the next one. Peace.